Authorities responded to a shooting in Fargo, North Dakota, where a man opened fire on police. Specific details and injuries have not been confirmed. Police did not provide information about a possible motive or circumstances leading to the shooting. The identities of the slain officers and the suspect were withheld pending notification of their families. The Fargo Police Department said the investigation is ongoing. The shooting occurred on a busy street before 3 p.m., with multiple witnesses reporting that a man opened fire on the police officers before being shot by other officers in response. Sanford Medical Center Fargo spokesperson Paul Hynett said in an email that the hospital did receive patients stemming from today's shooting incident in Fargo. He said updates on their conditions would come from the Fargo Police Department. Surveillance video provided by Fargo resident Allison Carlson captured the rapid sounds of gunfire lasting just seconds. Chenoa Peterson said she was driving by the area with her 22-year-old daughter when a man pulled out a gun and began firing at police. He proceeds to aim it and you just hear the bullets go off, and I'm like, oh my god. He's shooting, she told the Associated Press. Peterson's first instinct was to pull over and try to help, but her daughter convinced her to leave. It's weird knowing that if you were 10 seconds earlier you could have been in that, she said. Both he was working alone at a nail salon near where police reported the shooting when she heard what sounded like fireworks or a motorcycle backfiring. She said gunshots didn't cross her mind at the time. North Dakota Attorney General Drew Wrigley said the State Bureau of Criminal Investigation is working with federal, state and local law enforcement in response to a shooting incident, but provided no details of what happened. Police have said there is no known ongoing threat to the public.